Hey, Daryl Sangster here from the Sangster Franchise Group. So today's tutorial is the posting puzzle. So this document and this tutorial is designed to provide you with an outline for posting content, be it written or video, because like many things, posting content online does require a certain structure, and there are pieces to the puzzle that have to be applied in a certain order in order for the posts to be effective. And if effective is engagement and communication and capturing of information and simply being seen, then that in itself is an effective post. So to start us off, the posting puzzle, again, is a document to assist you, just to give you a template. You have to populate the template, but the template is there for you to follow, whatever your brand is, whatever your message is. So, posting is a form of marketing and communicating and influencing. So, just make sure that when you're posting, you're applying these pieces ahead of time. So to start us off here, the posting puzzle is a hook, emotions, an elevator, an offer, and a capture. Now, the hook is the pain point. This is the part where you have to be bold and capture the lead or the viewer's attention. So, for example, of course, I serve franchisors. So in my case, in my brand, I might say something like, my hook might be exhausted from sleepless nights, struggling to expand your franchise, how to build an effective post that gets attention and engagement. Those are just examples of what a hook is. So, of course, who you're speaking to, who your audience is, what your niche is, who are you talking to, and what are their pain points. That is what is the foundation of building an effective hook, because ultimately you have to speak to somebody and you have to engage them, and they're only engaged on an emotional level. There is far too much content online for your amazing product to be seen if you're not going to emotionally connect. So the second part is the emotion. Now, the emotions is the story or the message behind your bold statement. So you want to use this portion of your post to either send a message or tell a story or group it together so that you can relate to the viewer or the lead in whichever case you're trying to achieve. So, for example, when I was running my franchise, I would get to work some mornings at 6 a.m. and get home at 8 p.m. just in time to tuck my kids into bed. I struggled to find enough time to work, and I struggled to find enough time to be a dad. My unbalanced life kept me awake at night with work issues or potential issues flooding my head at 3 a.m. I fully understand the stress of sleepless nights. So in that example, not only has my hook caught the attention of my viewer, but now I've emotionally connected with the viewer because I can relate to that feeling that they're also experiencing. Now, moving further into the post is the elevator. Now, this is a statement to your audience. Now, you've hooked them, you've connected with them. Now's the time to tell them exactly who you serve. It's It's not good enough to say that you help everybody in business. That's too vague. It's not good enough for you to say, I help all franchisors with everything that they do. Well, okay, great, but no one's going to commit to you. They might associate you with that, but they're not going to commit. And ultimately, what you're trying to do is get them to commit. So you have to be very clear on what it is that you do and who you serve. So, for example, in my case, I might work into my post a simple statement. And if it's a video, I might use a pause. If it's written, I just might use a separate line. I help franchisors expand. So what that's telling the viewer is exactly what I do with franchisors. Because like I said, it's not good enough for me to say I help franchisors, because it could be, well, what do you help them with? Do you help them with staffing issues? Do you help them with the legal side? Of course, I'm not a lawyer. So what exactly do I help franchisors with? Another example, I might work into my post. I help franchisors expand their business. Again, being very clear on what it is that I do and that I serve. And so that when I've caught their attention and we're emotionally connected, I'm now clearly defining how I can help them. Moving on to the offer. This is the section where you describe and share what it is that your reason for your post is. So in the offer, an offer can be one of 1,000 different things. So this is where you sit and think, okay, well, I can't just post and say nothing. So what is the reason for my post? So give you a real example. This post of mine is about a tutorial and helping franchisors as well as others on the structure of posting. So that in itself is my offer when I announced this post. So a post can be anything. It can be a product, it can be a service. Of course, it can be digital, it can be physical. So there's a lot of different areas, and I list a few examples. Some products, both digital and physical, an ebook, a video tutorial, a downloadable file, an iPhone case, a business, a franchise, whatever it is that you're offering to the viewer, that becomes your offer. A service is something intangible. So such as a digital or physical service, a group Zoom call, a Facebook chat forum, the coaching program that you offer, the consulting, the mentoring, the teaching. Those are all services that you provide. So that would fall into that. So whatever your message is, that becomes your offer. What is it that you are trying to tell the viewer? So for an example, am I talking about downloading my ebook? Or am I presenting a how-to video on how to write a good post, or how to help stay-at-home moms, or where to buy the best fishing tackle? So whatever it is, or of course, like in my case, SFG Academy program. So again, I have a program that is designed just to basically coach, consult, mentor, and teach franchisors. And lastly, we're on to the capture. So this is the part of the post that so many people don't include. And all their efforts are almost entirely wasted if they don't have a call to action or a capture. So to give you an example, click to download. So you might have a link to a Google Doc or a PDF. And what you're trying to do is engage with the viewer to take a second and download your file, whatever that is. Or you might have an opt-in by entering your email. So as your intent might be to build your email list, you might have an opt-in by entering an email, and I'll send you my file or my video or whatever it is, or offer, whatever the case may be, or sign up sheets, etc. DM me is another example. Just a simple direct message me and I'll help you out. That's a capture. That's a call to action. You can include comment puzzle below and I'll send you the free tutorial, just like I did in this post. So again, the capture portion is the last piece of the puzzle. And again, it's very important to have that call to action, that engagement, that reason to communicate. So just to summarize, the posting puzzle: hook, emotions, elevator, offer, capture. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Take care.